Hello everybody, in this tutorial I'll show you how to get and use the Dew Collector in 7 Days to Die. Before we begin, make sure to like and subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss out any of my future videos. Now to begin, first of all we'll need to unlock the Dew Collector, and this can be done by reaching tier 2 inside of the workstation's skills. You can reach this level by reading the Forge Ahead magazines, and you can also boost the loadouts with advanced engineering, which you can find inside of intellect and by going down here. So make sure you have got this to the fullest level that you can. And once you've unlocked the Dew Collector, now we'll need to gather the materials. So go to your workbench, and here you can see you'll need 200 square polymers, which the best method is to go around a city and harvest some tires, and short iron pipes can be gathered by using a wrench or an impact driver and salvaging some air conditioners from rooftops or from some construction sites. Also on these construction sites you can find short iron pipes as an object that you can mine with an pickaxe, and duct tape can be made from some glue and cloth fragments or found inside of many loot boxes. And once you've got all of the materials, go ahead and craft the Dew Collector. Place it down and make sure it has at least 6 blocks above it which are empty. And now to use it, just go ahead and fill this section up with empty water jars. And this is going to already function just like it is. But there are these modifications that are going to make it a lot more efficient. For example, the gatherer is going to increase the rate of the dew that is going to be collected. Alongside with the tarp, it is going to do pretty much the same. And water filter is going to make sure that the water that comes out is going to be pure and you can drink it. And from this dew collector inventory, you can just go ahead and pick out the water that you've collected and use it for your needs. This is pretty much all how to use it. Make sure to like and subscribe if you found this helpful, and see you in the next one.